Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we help you to fix common household problems. So today we are going to show you how to fix a Samsung washing machine display not working. So if you are a Samsung washing machine and your display is not working, it could be due to a few different reasons. The most common cause are a blow fuse, a faulty control board or a damaged display. So we will walk you through each of these issues and show you how to fix them. So firstly, let's check the power cord. Make sure it's plugged in properly and that it can working with the outlet is not working. So try it another device to see if the outlet is washing machine that problem. So if your power cord is working properly, the next thing is to check is the fuse box. Locate the fuse box that corresponds to your washing machine and make sure it's not blown. So if it is replaced with the new fuse of the same. So if your power cord and fuse are working properly, the next step is to check the control board. The control board is the electronic brain of your washing machine and it is the fault. It can cause the display to stop working. To check the control board, you will need to remove the back panel of your washing machine and locate the control board. Once you found it, check for any sign of damage such as burn mark or blown capacitor or other things like mouse bite and many other things. If the power cord and fuse or control board are allowed working properly, the final thing is to check the display panel. The display panel is the part of the washing machine that displays the scene and time if the damage occurs. It can cause the display to stop working. Okay? To check the display panel, you will need to remove the front panel of the washing machine and locate the display panel once you found it. Okay? And still you are facing this issue and you are not able to fix this problem, it's time to reach out the customer support of the Samsung washing machine. You can simply direct call them or you can text to the customer care of the Samsung washing machine. After that, they will send a Samsung engineer at your home within 24 to 48 hours. So be patient. After that, they will examine your washing machine and find the error and then he will fix it. So that's all. With these steps, you should be able to fix a Samsung washing machine display that's not working. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.